In the late summer of 1977, humanity cast a message in a bottle into the cosmic ocean. This bottle, known as Voyager 1, was launched on a mission that would redefine our place in the universe and carry our story to the stars. It began as a grand tour of the gas giants, a once-in-a-lifetime planetary alignment that allowed for a cosmic game of leapfrog across the outer solar system. Voyager 1 was equipped with a suite of instruments designed to taste, see, and listen to the worlds it would encounter. Its first major rendezvous was with Jupiter in 1979, the colossal king of our solar system. Voyager 1 sailed past, revealing a world of violent, swirling storms and a great red spot more dynamic and complex than we had ever imagined. It discovered faint rings encircling the giant planet and, perhaps most excitingly, active volcanoes on its moon. Io. This was the first time we had ever witnessed live volcanic eruptions anywhere other than Earth, proving our solar system was far from a static, dormant place. A year and a half later, Voyager 1 reached the majestic ringed planet Saturn. It flew breathtakingly close, giving us unprecedented views of the intricate, shimmering rings, which were found to be composed of countless individual particles of ice and dust. It studied Saturn's enigmatic moon, Titan, revealing a thick, hazy atmosphere rich in nitrogen, reminiscent of a primordial Earth. This flyby, however, came at a cost. The trajectory required to study Titan so closely flung Voyager 1 up and out of the plane of the solar system, ending its tour of the planets. But this was not the end of its journey. It was the beginning of a new, lonelier chapter. As it soared away from the familiar neighborhood of planets, it was given one last, poignant task. In 1990, at the request of the famed astronomer Carl Sagan, NASA turned Voyager 1's camera around for a final look back at the home it was leaving forever. From a staggering distance of 6 billion kilometers, it captured a family portrait of our solar system. Among the scattered points of light was one tiny, almost insignificant speck. This was Earth, suspended in a sunbeam, a mote of dust in the vast cosmic arena. This image became known as the pale blue dot. It's a humbling perspective, showing our entire world, everyone we've ever known, and all of human history contained within a single pixel-sized dot. It serves as a powerful reminder of our fragility and our shared responsibility to cherish this tiny, pale blue home. Having completed its final photographic assignment, the cameras were powered down to conserve energy for the long journey ahead. But Voyager 1 carries more than just scientific instruments. It also carries a message. Bolted to its side is a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc known as the Golden Record. This is humanity's time capsule, a collection of sights and sounds intended to communicate a story of our world to any extraterrestrial civilization that might one day find it. The chances are infinitesimally small, but the gesture itself is profound. The record contains 115 images encoded in analog form, showcasing life and culture on Earth. There are diagrams of our DNA, pictures of our cities, our farms, our athletes, and our families. It also carries a rich audio tapestry. This includes the sounds of nature, like wind, rain, and the calls of birds and whales. It features greetings in 55 different languages, beginning with Akkadian, spoken in ancient Sumer about 6,000 years ago, and ending with the modern Chinese dialect of Wu. Each greeting is a warm welcome to the cosmos. And then there's the music. The record contains a 90-minute selection of musical pieces from various cultures and eras, from Bach and Beethoven to Chuck Berry's Johnny B. Good and traditional music from around the globe. It's a testament to our creativity and our universal language of emotion. The Golden Record is a greeting card from Earth, a message of peace and curiosity sent out into the void. So, where is this lonely traveler now? As of today, Voyager 1 is over 24 billion kilometers from Earth, a distance so vast that it's difficult to comprehend. It has long since crossed the boundary where the sun's influence gives way to the interstellar medium. In 2012, it officially entered interstellar space, becoming the first man-made object to do so. It is now sailing through the space between the stars, a realm filled with cosmic rays and particles from distant, exploded suns. It continues to send back data, a faint whisper from the darkness, telling us about this unexplored territory. The signals from Voyager 1 are incredibly weak, less powerful than the energy of a single falling snowflake. takes more than 22 hours for its radio messages. It's traveling at the speed of light to reach us here on Earth. But this incredible journey cannot last forever. Spacecraft is powered by a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, which uses the heat from the decay of plutonium-238 to generate electricity. This power source is slowly but surely fading. To prolong the mission, engineers have been systematically shutting down non-essential instruments over the years, conserving every last watt of power. Sometime around 2025, it's predicted that there will no longer be enough power to operate any of its scientific instruments. Its voice, which has been reporting back to us for half a century, will fall silent. Voyager 1 will become a silent ghost ship, drifting through the Milky Way galaxy. It will continue its journey, but it will no longer be able to phone home. Even after its power dies, its mission of discovery continues in a different form. It will continue to carry the golden record, our silent ambassador to the cosmos. For billions of years, it will orbit the center of our galaxy, a relic of a curious species from a small rocky planet. It will likely outlast its creators, and perhaps even the Earth itself. It is the loneliest object in human history, a solitary wanderer in the eternal night. But it's also a symbol of our unyielding curiosity, our ambition, and our hope to connect with whatever, or whoever might be out there. Voyager 1 reminds us that even as we are bound to our small world, our imagination and our spirit can travel to the furthest reaches of the universe. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you want to explore more stories from the cosmos, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Space Repo.